like them. Jamming on the beat. It sells me out and then like them.
Hi guys, if you're new here, I'm Deb, and today I have my Balanced Discovery box. Now this box, I'm always so shocked. I do not understand how they do it for what they do it. It's $15.99. I believe it's a season, and I don't know how they do this for the amount of money they do it for, because you always get well over that, and it's like, how can they even ship it for that? And this time it's a smaller box, but it's still very heavy. So I don't know how they do it. Now, if you're not familiar with the Balance Company, they have a lot of boxes, but I just do this one. But I'm thinking about going to their lifestyle box too, now that BoxyCharm is done, because I don't see how they do it. Oh, here, look. Thought I had it open, but I don't. Hold on. Yeah, I don't know how they do this. I've never known how they do this. It's like, this is well beyond. Okay, you open it up. This is what it looks like. And they give you all these little cards. And don't throw these away without looking at them, because sometimes they're coupons and some, you know, like, this is the Balance Company 10% off. This is kid tested. And this is Thunder Coffee Mate. We have a special discount offer for you. You scan it, so always look at those, because you don't know what it's going to be. And in this box, it could be anything, and as I said, it's filled full. And the first thing I'm pulling out are magnesium gummies, which would have been great if there's vitamin D, because I'm out. But yeah, they're magnesium, and they're raspberry flavored, and they're, you know, sugar free, all the frees, because where are my glasses out here? Hold on, I'm gonna go get my glasses. Okay, it's magnesium, it's 100% of your daily allowance. This is M is for magnesium. Isn't that cute? This is chapter 1. Take one every day, which I'll end up taking 2, because I usually take twice, because where I don't digest. And I don't really eat that many different foods, so my doctor just tells me to double up on them. So I will eat one, and we'll see what it tastes like. It smells quite, and it looks like little dried raspberries. Tastes good. And there's 60 gummies in here. Oh, and they're made in New York. Okay. This one has me intrigued. Ooh, that's pretty. This is nail polish. Mineral Fusion nail polish with, can't really read it. With, I don't know. And it is colored Double Take. And that's what it looks like. There you go. See, that's why it's so hard to read. That's what it looks like. And it's Double Take is the color, but it's a pretty color, I think. Oh yeah. It's a nice fall color. This is just one go on it. But yeah, it's actually like a brownish, so you can see the kind of glisten in it. It's definitely a liqueur, lacquer or whatever. Okay, then we got Sukin Purely Ageless. Try not to mess that nail up. It's SUKIN. Australian Natural Purely Ages Rejuvenating Day Cream. That's what that says. I've heard of the brand, but I've never tried this. I've tried a few things from the brand, actually, and it's actually a pretty good brand. Oops. Ew. Yeah, I'm messing with it, but that's what it looks like. I got that on my finger. I'll put a little bit more on my finger. I know it's supposed to be for your face. See, these people are getting to where they're just writing stuff so small. I'll put it on my kneecap right here. Feels nice. And I can imagine, smells nice. It smells like, what does it smell like? I don't know what that smells like. It smells familiar, but I can't place it. But I can see where putting that on at night would definitely make a difference overnight. Because it's kind of thick. It's kind of thick, but it's... I still can't place that. It doesn't say, does it? Oops. My nail's still not dry. That's dry. Doesn't say. I mean, it might say in this little bit where you can't read nothing, but yeah. Maybe it's their scent that I'm thinking. Maybe it's their scent. I've definitely smelled it before, but I can't place it. Yeah, it feels really nice. See what I mean about this box? And this is something wrapped. This is Wonder Mocha Coffee Milk. And of course, I won't try it because I can't stand the smell of coffee. But I will have one of my friends try it and get back with you. Oh, then you get this one. Ultimate Replenisher. And there's 3 flavors in there. And these are good for me because they make me replenish much faster. But there's a where I don't have a large intestine, I dehydrate rapidly. So there's 3 different flavors in there. It's a trial package on this. I'm going to open it, but I can't. There we go. See what flavors we got in here. So we got raspberry, lemon, and grape. But they're, you know, the things you just pour in your water. And the last thing, bada bean, bada boom, sweet sriracha. And it's crunchy broad beans. And it's 110 calories per servings. There's 3 servings in here. And it's broad beans, roasted, seasoned. Alright, I'll try one. What the heck? If it doesn't kill me, it'll make me stronger, right? And that's what I'm saying. How do they even ship this? Oops. And here's what they look like. Oh, crunchy. There I go. Not bad tasting. I'm a little leery to eat the whole thing because of my bowel problem, but they're good. They'll get 8. Those are good. They're good. Anyhow, that's the balance box. This is their Discovery box, and like I tell you, every time I get it, how do they do that? I mean, you would think just the shipping alone, you know, the box and the shipping alone is $15. I don't know how they do it. You have this drink, which is heavy. Thunder coffee milk, Australian style coffee milk. You got the bada bing, bada boom. You got the skin cream, which I know this is expensive. You got vitamins. Well, vitamins are expensive. And you got this brown nail polish. And here, I'll put a second coat on. And this is 2 coats. It's going to be a really nice fall color. So I do like it. I don't know how they do it. But as usual, I will leave the link down below so you can sign up for this one if you want. You know, the only one I believe that's cheaper is Walmart. And I don't know how they do this for $15. Anyhow, I got the hey, if you like what you see, we do all kinds of unboxings here. We do FabFitFun, we do Temu, we do Ben's hauls, we do, you name it, we do it. So come on back and join us. Bye.